Good morning students. This video for class 8th subject computer and chapter name is networking concept. In this video we will discuss networking types and advantage of networking. So students, you can see here what is local area network and LAN. In LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area such as room, office building or a campus. In local area network, computer terminals are physically connected with wires. The data transmission speed is slow as compared to WAN. Since LAN is operated in a small area, it can be controlled and administered by a single person or a organization. So students, if your network in a small area like room, office, building, then your network will be local area network. And local area network, in local area network, computers are connected with wires or without wireless. So data transmission speed is slow compared to WAN. In local area network, data transmission speed will be slow. LAN network is operated in small area, so this network controlled and administered by a single person or an organization. Means a single person can handle local area network. Metropolitan area network MAN. Name suggests metropolitan means largest or metro cities. This network found in metro city, so is called metropolitan area network. MAN is a larger network than LAN. Means MAN network area is larger than LAN network. It is spread across a city. MAN network spread across a city means पूरे शहर में. It covers a city, it is called metropolitan. ये पूरे शहर में फैला होता है, इसलिए इसको हम metropolitan कहते हैं. The most common example of MAN type network is cable television, branches of a local bank in a city, etc. Now, wide area network. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at far away place. Wide area network area is not defined or unlimited. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication or satellite signals. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system, means telephone. The usage of WAN is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. Means वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क का यूज़ बड़ी कंपनियां और गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज करती हैं. द मेन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ WAN is that it require a public telecommunication media to transfer data इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वैन। मीन्स वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क में डाटा ट्रांसमिशन की स्पीड फास्ट होती है और इसका एरिया भी बहुत बड़ा होता है। नाउ एडवांटेजेस ऑफ नेटवर्किंग। Networking in computers brings efficiency, economy, and effectiveness in any organization. Efficient use of storage media. It is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than to store a copy of the application on each user storage devices. It is better to have one big hard disk in the server than to have small hard disk in different computers. Means in networking we use minimum storage devices preserving information. It is difficult to maintain regular backups on a number of stand-alone computers. When you keep backups on a central location, you have one place to look for the lost information. In this heading, we can store data in other place for backup. Reduction in hardware cost. In a network, the hardware devices which are not used very often, like modem, printer, scanner, CD writer, etc., can be shared. This reduces the cost of hardware. Networking benefit is reduce the hardware. We can work with a single printer. Efficiency in a network, the deletion, modification or upgradation of the software data is to be done at a single point only. This brings more efficiency and effectiveness into a working system. Redundancy. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents by sharing the soft copy of a file over the network. The need to share paper copies of reports or any other information can be eliminated or greatly reduced. Quickest document delivery. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to other computers throughout the world. With the help of networking, we transfer data copy one computer to other computer.